Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we're looking at one of my personal favorites, Organic Cheerful Tea. Organic Cheerful Tea is a green tea blend with lots of ingredients to boost your mood, add antioxidants, and energy. If you've been watching this series for a while, you know that we're going to start by talking about the 6 ingredients that go into this blend. First up is Organic Sencha. Sencha is a green tea and is the base of Organic Cheerful Tea. Sencha is full of antioxidants and vitamin C. Sencha is also an energy-boosting green tea with a caffeine boost that won't give you that coffee crash. The caffeine in green tea is more sustainable energy and lasts longer than a typical cup of coffee. Additionally, Sencha can provide relief from inflammation and even help lower your cholesterol. Next up is Organic Ashwagandha root. Ashwagandha is an evergreen shrub and is known as a superfood for a good reason. This plant can help relieve inflammation while improving mood and memory. Ashwagandha is also known to help provide stress and tension relief. Up next are these pretty yellow flowers called Organic Damiana. Damiana is a small woody shrub and is a huge mood booster with benefits including relieving headaches, treating depression, and improving mental and physical stamina. Next up is an herb called Organic Lemon Balm. Lemon balm has been known as a calming herb since the Middle Ages. It is used specifically to treat anxiety and stress, along with having calming effects on the stomach and promoting healthy sleep patterns. Our second to last ingredient is Organic Lavender. Lavender is an ingredient that is known for calming the mind and body, and teas with lavender in them are no exception. The aroma and the buds help to relax and de-stress the body from head to toe. And the final ingredient is Organic Rose Petals. Rose petals are a beautiful ingredient, but also have health benefits stored inside. These petals have a calming aroma, along with containing polyphenols, which are a type of antioxidant that helps protect the body from cell damage. Next up, let's make a recipe using Organic Cheerful Tea. This recipe also features our organic premium matcha, and this drink would be perfect to start your morning off with a boost of caffeine. I'm going to start by putting 4 teaspoons of our Organic Cheerful Tea into my teapot and adding about 10 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water. I'm then going to allow this to steep for about 5 to 7 minutes while I prepare my matcha. I'm going to use our organic premium matcha and add 2 teaspoons to my bowl. Then I'm going to add about 8 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water and whisk vigorously until I've got a nice froth. Into a glass with ice, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of simple syrup and then about a quarter of a lemon. I'm going to top this with my tea and then finish off with my matcha. This recipe has a bunch of sustainable energy in it, making it a good drink to start your morning and improve your mood. It has a nice floral taste with a little bit of sweet and sour from the lemon and simple syrup and could be added with honey or any other ingredients you like. I hope you enjoy this one and give it a try. Thank you so much for joining us for Tea of the Week this week. I hope you'll continue to watch next week and the weeks after. As usual, all the links will be down in the description below, and if you enjoy these series and our videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a lovely rest of your week. Bye-bye!